Ever wondered how much a company that helps you track your receipts is actually worth? I mean, we've all been there, scrambling to organize expenses, right? But behind that simple app, there's a whole business, and today, we're diving into the big question: what is the net worth of Expensify? Now, before we jump into the numbers, let's quickly recap what Expensify actually does. It's a cloud-based expense management software. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet for receipts, travel expenses, and anything else related to business spending. It's designed to streamline the process, making life easier for businesses and individuals alike. But how does that translate to actual value? To understand Expensify's net worth, we need to look at a few key factors. First, let's talk about their revenue. Expensify generates income through subscriptions. They offer various plans tailored to different needs, from individual users to large corporations. The number of subscribers and the value of those subscriptions directly impacts their revenue stream. Then, there's the company's growth trajectory. Expensify went public in 2021, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker EXFY. This initial public offering, or IPO, is a crucial moment for any company, as it allows them to raise capital and gives us a snapshot of their market valuation. The IPO price and the subsequent stock performance are key indicators of their perceived value. Now, nailing down an exact, real-time net worth is tricky. Publicly traded companies' valuations fluctuate constantly based on market conditions, investor sentiment, and their financial performance. However, we can look at their market capitalization, which is the total value of all their outstanding shares of stock. This gives us a strong indication of their current worth. Keep in mind, though, that market cap isn't the only metric. We also need to consider their assets, liabilities, and overall financial health. Expensify's financial reports, including their quarterly and annual earnings, provide valuable insights into their profitability and growth. These reports detail their revenue, expenses, and any significant changes in their financial position. In recent years, Expensify has faced challenges and opportunities. The competitive landscape in the expense management software sector is fierce, with numerous players vying for market share. Adapting to evolving technology and customer needs is crucial for their continued success. Additionally, the broader economic climate plays a significant role in their valuation. Factors like interest rates, inflation, and overall market trends can influence investor confidence and stock prices. So, while pinning a concrete number is a moving target, we can say that Expensify's net worth is primarily determined by their market capitalization, which reflects investor confidence in their future performance. By analyzing their financial reports and tracking their stock performance, we can get a clearer picture of their financial standing. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.